Hello my dear students of Beacon High School. Today we are going to learn anatomy of face. Drawing the human figure is one of the most challenging and important in art. Today we will learn first anatomy of face by measurement and step by step. Normally we draw the face in oval shape, but in really the face have different shapes. So let's start the work. Material requirement: drawing book, pencil, if needed scale and eraser. So let's start our face study. Now for starting we are going to make a oval shape. Normally, as I told you, that a human figure are not having the same shape of the face, but while studying in proportion we are going to start with oval shape. So just make a oval shape lightly. After completing in oval shape, now you are going to divide this one. This is our first step of oval shape. Then second step is that you are going to divide this one, first one, vertically in a center. If you need, you can use a scale. If you want, you can use scale. The division should be equally made in a vertical way. This lining should be very faint, because after completing our work we are going to erase that one. As we complete it in a vertical, we are going to divide that one in horizontal, in a half. After completing in the fourth division, we will think of this half. Now again you are going to divide this half in half, in this way. After dividing this half, then again you will think of this portion. Again divide this portion in half. Now one this will be the chin. Your chin is going to start here, 1 2 3 4, and after that one this will be half for the forehead, and this will be the head. Hairs will come here. Now you can number it: 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We have divided the oval shape in 6 equal parts. Now after that one, now see here students, this all the lines will be slightly done, because after completing it we are going to erase that one. On the third line, which we have divided in the start, we have made it half, the oval shape. Here the eyes will come. Now according to the size of face, we are going to make first eyes. So for making the eyes, the line which we have divided horizontally for the oval shape in half, there we are going to make 5 markings for the eyes. Now one marking will be here, then second, 2 3 4 and 5. 5 equal markings you are going to take on that line. Now again one more line you are going to add here for the eyes. Now as we have drawn a marking here, now here on the right side, first I will make one eye. Here 2 lines are there, in that only you are going to finish your one eye according to the measurement. You have to keep in mind that when the eyes are open, there are 2 lines. In this way I will complete my one eye. Now you will came to know that the gap between 2 eyes is 1 eye. This will be the gap of the eye in between second. Now here the second eye will come. This is very, very important. Otherwise one eye will become small and one will become big, and it will look wrong. And when you are making a portrait, that time proportion is very, very important. A live portrait when you are making. So this our second eye is completed. Now second step, we will come to the third step, sorry, we will come to the nose. Now this line we have drawn here, the fourth line, here the nose will come. Now the starting point of the nose, where we have started the eye, we are going to make one slight line here and here. In this way the line will go down a little bit. In this way we will draw a faint line and your nose will start here. This will be the starting line of the nose. In this way a round will come in the center and the second part. Here our nose is completed. Okay, after completing the nose, we will come for the lips, for the mouth. Now again from the center of the eye, you are going to make one slightly line straight downwards till the chin. This side also, left side also the same way. Now the center line of the eyes, our lips will start. Here the lips are going to start in this way and they are going to end in this side. Here the center line will be there and the line which is coming from the nose, from here the lips will complete it. You can see this way our eyes, nose and lips are completed. Now while making the eyebrows, the inside line, you are going to make a curved lines here for the center round here for the nose. As you know that every face is having different shapes of nose, lips, everything you have to observe and you have to draw. Just I am teaching you this one for the measurement. And here the eyebrows will come. The same way it will take turn here, the left side. Finish. After that one, we will come to the ears. Now, the starting line of the ears, the eye line which we have taken, the third line, from here the ears will start and it will end till the nose line. This lining will be the ending of the ear. The same way on the left side the ears will come. Now this will be the forehead line. Now here only we will start the hairs. Now in different styles you can make the haircuts. Now one side I am showing you girl and one side I am showing you the boy. Now for the girl, just we can draw like this line and upside from here the hairs will come and it will take a turn like this and she will become a girl. And for the boy, just you can move your hand like this and the boy's face will be done. Now this oval shape we have studied the measurement. Now when you are making a live portrait, that time you have to keep all this measurement. This measurement is for all the faces, but the shape of the eyes, the shape of the nose, lips, ears and the face will be different. Now after completing all this one, the lines which we have drawn for the measurement, we are going to erase that one so that your face will be clearly seen. The proportion of the face we have studied. Now you are going to practice this one and you will be perfect in the portrait work. So in this way we will erase all the lines which we have taken for the measurement. It will be erased here and easily you will come to know the study of the face, how you have done. So this is very important topic for art. As you will come to know the measurement. You can make the portraits easily, and when you are making a figurative drawing, the proportion will be accurate. So thank you students, study it, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.